Solving logarithmic equation. Now we are going to solve these three log equations. Okay, number one, so you have log x base 2 equal to 3. So my idea is to have log on both sides. So I'm going to multiply is 1. So it's still the same, right? So I have log x base 2 equal to 3 times log 1 is just log of a of base a. So I want you to have log on both sides of the same base. So I'm gonna put 2. It has to be 2 so that it gives me 1, so that I'm not changing the problem. From here, log x base 2 equal to log 2. From the property, remember that the 3 can come here on top. So I have log x base 2 equal to log 8 base 2. I have log on both sides and I have the same base. So that means I can just equate x and equal to 8. So that's a solution. Simple. Number 2, the same thing. I want to have logs on both sides. So I have log x minus 2, 3 equal to minus 1 times 1, right? Then I have log 3 x minus 2 has to be equal to minus 1. What is 1? 1 is log of a base a. I want to have a log of base 3. So 3, that means here I also have to have 3 so that it gives me 1. Then I have log x minus 2, 3 has to be equal to log 3. The minus 1 can come here on top, minus 1. So I have log on both sides and the same base. That means x minus 2 has to be equal to 3 power minus 1. Then x equal to 2 plus 1 over 3. X is just equal to 7 over 3. Number 3, I wanted to have one log on one side and on the other side. So that means here I have two logs. I have to use the laws that we know. I have a plus here, so I can, and they have the same base. So I can just have log one unique base and then multiply times x. Has to be equal to 1. I have then log x squared minus x 2 here has to be equal to 1. I want to have log on both sides, so I just put 2 log 2 because this is also 1. Why 2 on both sides? Because I want to have log on both sides and of the same base. From here, I just can say x 2. Then I have x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. I just have to solve this equation. I can just do in this 1 equal to 0. And then I have x equal to 2, x equal to minus 1, like that. Now, I have an issue here. You might say that, okay, the solution x equal to 2 and x equal to minus 1. Wrong. Why? Let's see. If I plug x equal to minus 1 there, I'm going to have x minus 1, 2, plus log of minus 1, 2. Log of negative number does not exist. So that means this does not exist. Does not exist. So that means this is not a solution. If I plug 2, I'm going to have log of 2 minus 1 plus log of 2. This should be equal to log of 1 base 2 plus log of 2 base 2. Log of 1, no matter the base, is 0, plus log of 2 base 2 is 1 because it's log of a number that is equal to its base, then just gives you 1, which is equal to this 1 here. So that's how you solve logarithmic equation.